Welcome to another video of Simplexity where we are going to solve a LeetCode problem. In this video we are going to solve the number of islands problem. Let's start with understanding the problem. We are given an n by n 2D binary grid and we have to count the number of islands. An island is surrounded by water, which is represented by zeros. Land is represented by ones, and lands can only be connected horizontally and vertically. Let's start looking at the examples. If we look at the first example, we can see that all ones in the grid are connected horizontally or vertically, so we just have one island. Especially you can see in the first row that the ones are connected horizontally, and in the first column and second column the ones are connected vertically, so we have just one island, we have to return one. In the second example, we have more than one island. We can see in the first two columns that the ones are connected vertically and horizontally, but if we look at the third column, we can see that the one in the third column is not connected to the ones in the second column, so we have a new island here. Same with the fourth column, the one in the fourth column is not connected to the one in the third column, and the one in the fourth column is connected to the fifth column because the ones in the last row are connected horizontally. So in summary, we have here 3 islands, so we have to return 3. So what we are going to do is we are going to iterate through our grid with a loop over each row and column. And first we are going to declare a counter to count the number of islands, which we are going to return at the end. After that, we are going to start with the rows by coding a for loop, and inside it another loop to iterate in each row through our columns. So just a nested loop to get to each element in the grid. And inside these loops, we are going to check the element we are looking at right now. And if we encounter 1, we first increment our counter because we found a new island. And then we start searching for all ones which are connected to the one we just discovered and flip these ones to 0 since they are connected to our 1. This spreading process is realized by another method which uses some kind of depth-first search. So in summary, our helper method uses recursion to explore all connected ones, and I have visualized this process for you.